¿Qué?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gypsy Shiva, and today we are leaving Madrid after 5 days. It was a beautiful city. I really like it. All the architecture, the roads, the people, everything was really great. And today we are leaving for Mexico finally. So after like 4 years of trying, we will be reaching Mexico, and we are going to the airport right now, all packed up and with the kids. So it will take us around 15 minutes more to reach there, and then we have to check in and everything, so it's going to take a lot of time. I think maybe 2 hours and then 1 hour wait. So flight is at 3:15. It's 11:15 right now. We are 4 hours in advance, so there is no rush. We can do it slowly with the kids. So let's go.
Sale más barato una cerveza que la botella de agua. Naricilla, nariz. ¿Dónde está tu nariz?
Luego aquí en muchos bares te ponen la cerveza.
Quería vivir ahí. Es muy difícil.
¿Y dónde vivís?
Vivimos en la India, en Nueva Delhi, pero ahorita vamos a México.
So guys, we are at the airport of Spain, and we are just standing here right now waiting. It will take another 2.5 hours for our flight. So we are waiting for our flight, and we are flying through Air Europa. There's one plane right there, and that's pretty much of it.
La distancia de seguridad y las medidas de higiene. Recuerda que el uso de mascarilla que cubra la nariz y boca es obligatorio.
So guys, we are finally boarding right now the flight, and we are going to Cancun. Here is our flight. Here is Jenny.
Hola.
And here is Shiva. Shiva, why are you crying, baby? ¿Por qué? Guys, we have finally reached Cancun airport, and we have our bus to go further to Playa del Carmen. Here is the ticket for the bus, and there are the buses right there. So we are waiting for the bus to go to our home now, and let me show you around. Guys, it's almost 7 o'clock, 7:30 in the evening. We have to wait like 5-10 minutes and the bus will come right here. So we are just waiting for them right now, and after that we'll go to Playa del Carmen, and from there we'll take another taxi to reach home. So guys, we are finally in the bus, and the bus costed like 450 pesos. Means like almost 1500-1600 rupees for 2 people, and we are in the bus going to Playa del Carmen to our house there, and it was a little tiring, and it's very hot here. It's like 35 degrees here, and so we finally going. The bus is very nice. The bus has like washrooms also, so, and it's like a deluxe bus, so very good for the price, I must say. But you should avoid taxis, because taxis are very expensive here. So you take bus when you come to Mexico. So guys, here it is, 216 pesos. It's not dollar, it's pesos, and for one it is almost 800 rupees. So let's go. Guys, we reached finally to Mexico, to Playa del Carmen, Cancun, and we are on the beach already, and we are waiting for the family to receive us. They say that they are coming, so we are just waiting here. Let me show you around more. Jenny, meet up! Haha, up!